Good day, sir. I start reading at 3:06 p.m. to 5 p.m. Date September 17, 2025. Module 3, Lesson Title, Development and Process of Making Scientific Theories. As I learned that theory explains the relationship between concept and phenomenon. In criminology, theories explain crime and criminal behavior. Scientific theory, based on observation, test, and validate. The process starts with forming hypothesis, possible explanation, test through research, observation, and analyze result, revise if needed, and if supported repeatedly becomes authority. There are different types of theory. Can be speculative ideas, explanation, scientific tested research, or metaphysical abstract ideas. So the goal of Module 3 is help us understand why crimes happen and provide a basic for solution in society. Module 5 is lesson titled Different School of Thoughts and Criminology. So I learned the Module 5 have a different school of thought, a classical school, neoclassical school, and positivist school. The classical school, founded during the Enlightenment, Cesar Beccaria and Jeremy Bentham, she believed people have free will and chose to commit crime. Crime happens when the belief outweighs the risk. Punish should be certain, swift, and prohibited, and deter crime. The neoclassical school is defy classical ideas by considering individual circumstances, age, mental state, social condition. Believe that all offers are equally responsible, and court should consider mitigating existing factors when deciding punishment. So the positivist school is emerged with the 19th century. Cesar Lombroso, Enrico Ferri, Raffaello Garofalo, and crime explained by biology, physiology, and environment, not just free will. Criminal studied scientific, some clarified as born criminal, and said criminals or occasional criminals. Introduce use of science and psychology and understanding and preventing crimes. The key of Module 5 is the classical is free will, punishment, deters. The neoclassical free will plus personal circumstances. The positivist is science-based cause of crime, biology, physiology, and society. The Module 6, lesson title Fundamental Concept of Law, Crime, and Criminal Justice. Law, the law is rule of conduct made obligatory by legitimate authority for the benefits and welfare of all. There are sources of Philippines criminal law. The Revised Penal Code Act number 3815 amendments. The and the special penal laws from Philippine Congress like omission, assembly, legislature, etc. and presidential decrees like during martial law, and have a concept of criminal justice. Justice for criminals and victims, and rehabilitation and offenders. System includes law enforcement, prosecution, court, correction, and community. They have a fundamental concept of law and crime. 1. Society, we are constitution of some by others. 2. Law, a political power used by the power fundamental control. 3. Law, conclusion of ruling class interests like legitimized by ideology. 4. Police, court, correction, enforce law. 5. People near power group, more likely to be protected. Further, more likely labeled criminal. 6. Crime. Not inherited behavior are labeled criminal by ruling authorities. They have additional concepts. Have additional concepts. Criminal status often disadvantage the less powerful, and law may change but still favor the interest of the powerful. And right and freedom and granted by the law are not equal. Benefits those who resources the state serves as an arbiter of conflict, but this legitimates the interest of the powerful. In Module 6, Law, Crimes, and Criminal Justice are deeply tied to power. Law are created and enforced to protect order and the interest of the ruling group, while crimes is a label applied to certain behavior. Criminal justice aims to punish, rehabilitate, and prevent crimes, but it also influenced by politics and social class. In Module 7, lesson titled The Existence of Crime. Crime is an intentional act of violates criminal law and is punishable. It can be malignancy, it's a natural evil, wrong, or murder, thief, and mala prohibita, it's a wrong because prohibited by law, like scientific violations. The offense is violation of special law. Causes of crime is biological, is inherited trait, physical condition, and the sociological is mental illness, emotion problem. The psychological is mental illness and emotional problem. And the victimology is crimes happen also due to victims' vulnerability. Understanding crimes existence help explain why people commit crimes and how society can prevent them. So that's all I understand about module 3, 5, 6, 7. And this is the flashcards. I start reading at 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. Date September 17, 2025. And that's the white t-shirt hanger. And this is the flashcard. That's all, sir, as I understand the module. And understanding crimes existence help explain why people